Thanks, Brian. A big loss to all of us Michigan fans. Turning now back to Decision 2010. Your money, your vote. We are all over a big election night impacting your wallet, coming down to the final votes. We have live team coverage from Grand Rapids to Kalamazoo to the Lakeshore. Hundreds of millions of your dollars are at stake tonight. We're monitoring 130 races from here in the newsroom, following the biggest right here at our election center. We have a fully staffed newsroom tonight. We're going to start now with 24-hour News 8's Joe LaFurgey. He is standing by live in Grand Rapids, where a very important income tax vote was taken tonight. Go ahead, tell us how it all went down, Joe.
Yeah, Susie, we're at Brands on Leonard, where the supporters have been meeting all throughout the evening, waiting for those results to come in. You see the room starting to clear out a little bit. They've had those results for about 55 minutes now. It was a nail-biter here. 204 votes, all that separated Grand Rapids voters approving a hike in the city's income tax. Again, that's a tax that anybody who works in the city pays. City residents pay a little more because they use more services, but residents who live in the suburbs also pay part of that tax. You will start paying that this summer because of tonight's vote. Those new taxes will fund 10 new community policing officers. They'll bring back 10 laid-off police officers, put them back on that community service beat. It'll also bring back 15 firefighters, creating a new squad downtown to help with the manpower. Of course, both of these departments have lost a lot of people over the last several years. Now, this will also mean the fire department gets to apply or actually use a grant they've already won from the federal government that will add 17 more firefighters. They couldn't take that grant unless they can guarantee the federal government they weren't going to lay off any more firefighters. Tonight's vote will help assure no more cuts in the fire department for at least the next 2 years. Now, opponents have really hammered away at this. Mainly the Grand Rapids Area Chamber of Commerce saying the city needs to cut costs, mainly in the area of labor. Tonight, after this vote came down, after the results were out, I asked City Manager Greg Sundstrom about that.
Our employee costs need to be lowered. Our pension costs are above average. Our health care costs are above average. We need to begin to bring those down as soon as we can. We've already started to bring down our health care costs. They're down 8% so far. I don't think there's anybody else in this community that can say that. We're working hard to do it, but we need to get our pension costs under control, and we will.
Now, another matter on the ballot tonight, the charter amendment that allows the city to change what is always considered a work day, 8 hours. Now the city can go back, rewrite the charter to make it any number of time, get rid of that 8 hours. That'll allow a little more flexibility, especially in the area of, say, if they want to close City Hall down for 1 day a week, they can do a 4-day work week. That'll happen as well tonight, about 6,200 votes making that a yes vote. Back to you.